I'm Matt with Hayes & Sons. Amidst concerns surrounding COVID-19, we would like to assure you that we're taking strong, proactive measures to keep our employees and our customers safe while following the CDC recommended protocols to help prevent the spread of the coronavirus. Today, we're gearing up to mitigate water damage in a basement. Before we go in, we're going to put on full PPE, or personal protective equipment, including this bodysuit, these gloves, and these respirator masks because the homeowner's health and peace of mind is our highest priority. We're also making sure to keep our offices, vehicles, and equipment disinfected, and will even disinfect areas of the homes in which we work. Our mission has always been to serve people in their time of need. We're doing that and more, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. For added protection and restoration done right, call Hayes & Sons today.